Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic.exe from the side view, okay? Uh, very easy, simple, completely for beginners. If you like Sonic, stick around the entire video. It's only like 6 minutes, so very, very short. Let's get started. First thing I do here is I'm going to draw a line downward around the front of Sonic's face. It's going to be Sonic.exe, by the way, so it's more of an evil Sonic. Pulling out a bit right here for the brow. Pulling up. Go over to the ear. Kind of a triangular ear. Line across. Line up. Line down. Other side. All right, that's the far side ear. Gonna go, not quite yet actually. I'm gonna find the eye. I'm gonna pull up, kind of like a gravestone shape, down. Line here for kind of the snout area, and pulling up. Gonna go out just a bit, finding the kind of the mouth curve to the bottom of the mouth area, and then pulling back here. Sweet. Sometimes you gotta switch markers because one of them's dry. Outward. Gotta throw a line straight out for the nose. It's gonna look like a sausage or something. Curve down, and then curve back. It's gonna pull in. You can draw right through that form because you're gonna fill in that nose. Maybe a circle for a highlight over there, and I'm gonna fill in the rest of it on this side. Circle. Circle. Fill that area in for the inside of the circle. We're gonna fill in the sclera as well, which is the white of the eye normally. We're gonna fill that in, but not yet. Line over here for kind of the mouth area. We're gonna have some sharp teeth sticking down. He's got EXE version. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the get the spikes. That's a big deal. Line out, down right here. That spike of his back right here. Line over here. Line in. Line down. Pull back. Curve for the stomach area. We're gonna have that tube he has for an arm. And back here in for the spikes on his back. He is gonna have that color change on his stomach, so I'm gonna curve right there. And now we're gonna fill in this portion of the eye. So I'm gonna get another marker here to kind of a bigger area. I'm gonna fill that area, that sclera, all dark. Again, where this is the EXE version of Sonic. Oh man, I kind of run out of ink on that one, so I'm gonna go over here, kind of fill it in here. It's much harder with this thinner marker. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw Sonic, hit the subscribe right now and click the bell notification. If you like learning how to draw him or anything else, I post a lot of different videos on Sonic, on Godzilla, on every topic you can think about. So absolutely hit that subscribe, and I post a video every single day, a video lesson, okay? So it's cool. We have a big library as well. Go check out the playlist library. Pretty much every video I do is on a playlist library somewhere. So go do that right now if you can. Gonna fill that in. Gonna go over here, curve right there for the top of the eye. And we want to have like a little bit of like a line back here, like the head is, you know, you know, kind of curved in there like it's coming in. Say a thicker line right here, just for this. And I would say for a final step, you can create an even thicker line just around the character, you know. That'll help a lot to kind of have it read better. Kind of have it over here. But yeah, let me know what you want to do, by the way, as far as kind of what are some cool things that you want to see lessons on. I've been posting for a few years, and this is incredibly lucky thing that I do. I have incredible luck to kind of talk to a lot of people that are incredibly nice. So just kind of let me know what you want, and I will make it happen. Also, don't forget the Godzilla sticker that is in the sticker section. Well, it's for sale right now. I'm going to be putting up more stickers, but right now we have the Godzilla artist. It's basically Godzilla copying tutorials, or, you know, following along tutorials right there on the computer. So hopefully, you know, that stuff is going well for you. Let's see. Just kind of thinking out that arm just a bit because I want it to like read a little bit more. So that's mostly it. If you want to get a little bit more extreme, you want to add details, this is the bonus round. You can add things like maybe like these notch marks on his arm right here, right? Like he's scratched up or something, right? To make him look a little bit more damaged, right? Because these darker characters tend to, you know, these like more evil version, the characters tend to look a little bit more damaged, a little bit in some ways. And the cool thing about him is that he's around a lot, but like there's no definitive design other than the eyes. I noticed that's definitive, but everything else, sometimes they draw him with like, you know, like a screwed up mouth. Sometimes they draw him with sharp teeth. Sometimes they draw him with normal teeth. Excuse me. Yawning there, but it's kind of cool because you can bring your creativity to it. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. I want you to say hi to me in the comment section, and I want you to share the video. Okay, sharing is caring. Hit the like on this, and hit the like on any video that you enjoy the topic of. Talk to you later. See you soon. Say hello to me, and guess what season's coming around? Oh yeah, Halloween season's coming around soon, so I'm excited. Hopefully you are too. See you soon.